Welcome to the ACA IELTS series.
Here's a breakdown of everything you need to know, step by step, from question types to the most effective strategies that is needed to get a Band 9 in first attempt. Here are essential strategies, quick wins, and some practice techniques that will help you maximize your score while reducing your preparation time. Let's start with a quick overview of the IELTS listening test. The IELTS listening test is the same for both academic and general training candidates. You'll have 40 questions to answer in 30 minutes. If you take the test on paper, you'll have an additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. In the computer-based test, you'll get 2 minutes to review your answers at the end. Here's a breakdown of the band score requirements. Band 6 to 23 correct answers. Band 7 to 30 correct answers. Band 8 to 35 correct answers. Band 9, all 40 correct answers. To score high, you need to understand the question types and apply the right strategies for each. Section 2, Types of Questions in IELTS Listening. There are 4 main types of questions, divided into 4 parts. Part 1, Fill in the blanks, based on a conversation about an everyday topic. This is the easiest part. Part 2, Multiple choice questions, MCQs, or map labeling, based on a monologue. Part 3, Multiple choice, matching information, based on a conversation between 2 or more speakers. Part 4, Fill in the blanks, based on an academic lecture. This is the hardest part with complex vocabulary. Each question type requires a slightly different strategy. Number 1. Fill in the blanks, parts 1 and 4. Example, write in no more than one word and/or a number. Focus on grammar and articles. For example, if the sentence is, "We visited a blank park," the answer must be a singular noun, not parks. Pay attention to articles, a, and the, to predict the type of word needed. Pro tip, always check if the sentence is grammatically correct after filling in the blank. Number 2. Multiple choice questions, parts 2 and 3. Listen carefully for distractors, statements designed to mislead you. Example, the film show raised the most funds last year, but this year it was the cooking demonstration. The correct answer is the cooking demonstration, not the film show. Don't wait to hear the exact words from the question. Look for synonyms and paraphrased versions instead. Strategy. Eliminate incorrect options while listening. Underline keywords in the question, if you're taking the paper-based test. Number 3. Map labeling, part 2. Spend time familiarizing yourself with the map during the preparation time. Remember that the answers follow the order of the audio. Visualize the directions, start at the entrance and move left to the cafe, then right to the garden. Pro tip, use the landmarks mentioned as reference points. Number 4. Matching information, part 3. Carefully read the options in the box before listening. Focus on keywords and opinions. Memorize what each option is about to save time. Common traps and how to avoid them. IELTS listening contains many traps that can confuse test takers. Here are some to watch out for. Distractors, information that seems like the answer but is later corrected or changed. Example, we plan to move the cafe near the lake, but we decided to keep it in the rose garden. Paraphrasing, the correct answer might not use the same words as the question. Skipping questions, if you miss an answer, move on immediately. Don't waste time trying to find it, you'll have time at the end to review. Time management strategies. How to make the most of your preparation time. Use the 30 seconds given at the end of each section to read the upcoming questions. In the computer-based test, you can move freely between sections, take advantage of this. Practicing the right way. Use official practice tests. Stick to Cambridge IELTS practice tests, Book 17 and onwards. These tests are closest to the real exam. Avoid non-official tests, they might be too easy or too difficult. How to analyze your mistakes. Use the audio script at the end of each test to review your incorrect answers. Ask yourself, was it a spelling mistake? A distractor? Or did you simply not hear it correctly? Practice exercise. Listen to a test recording once without the transcript. Identify unclear parts. Replay it with the transcript until you can hear every word clearly. Listen again without the transcript to check your improvement. Boosting your listening skills. Listen to different accents. British, American, Canadian, and Australian accents may appear in the test. Focus on materials with clear speech. Podcasts, news, and audiobooks are great resources. Pro tip: use passive listening. Listen to audiobooks or podcasts while cooking or commuting. It's an effortless way to improve your skills. Final tips for test day. Answer every question. There's no penalty for wrong answers. Use capital letters. Paper-based test. This avoids issues with handwriting. Check spelling and grammar. A single mistake can cost you a mark. Keep calm and stay focused. Missing one answer is not the end. Move on and stay composed. For more detailed strategies for each question type, check out this next video where we go deeper into solving each task with examples and practice exercises. Good luck with your IELTS preparation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.